Hello and welcome to Zim State Media. In other stories, lead Zimbabwe President Linda Tsungirai Masarira has been buried. She was buried at Glen Forest Cemetery in Harare. The burial took place days after Masarira died on 24 May 2026 at the age of 43. The outspoken politician and activist was laid to rest in a ceremony attended by family, friends and supporters. Masarira's death prompted condolences from across a political spectrum, including from President Emmerson Mnangagwa, who described her as a courageous politician who contributed to national dialogue and civic engagement. The founder and president of the Labour Economists and African Democrats Leader Party was known for her advocacy and democracy, women's rights and economic reform. She was also a member of the Political Actors Dialogue Poled platform. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.